Hi, my name's Nicholas and I'm joined here today by Chilli. Say hi, Chilli. Today I wanted to talk about data hygiene. Far too often we see our clients not preparing their data properly, and that leads to so many challenges down the line. Let's say over a period of half a decade, you might hire a couple of marketing people, a couple of salespeople. All these people collate data in different ways, okay? And the records don't match. You can end up with substantial amount of duplicates, and when you hire a new salesperson, within a few weeks, they're saying there's no one to call and you got to spend more money on paid spend. What we always say to our clients is make the most of what you have. How do you do that? First of all, you need to remove duplicates. Second of all, you need uniformity in terms of the way the records are kept. And last of all, you need to segment data. So you're running different narratives and different messages to different segments of the data so you can really tap into what's converting the best. Give us a call today. We're more than happy to have a chat about how we can help you moving forward.